Today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to fix your shift fork if it's got grooves in it, since the new one that you usually buy sometimes break because they clip on and, well, you know, it's a mess. If you're watching this video, you want to know how to fix it and probably save money or had it happen to you. So you can see we got grooves right here, and what we did already is just took a little wheel and air grinder and just grinded these, and we are going to touch them with a little bit of a welder just here and then grind them to shape. It's very simple, repair to do. So we got the ends of the fork is welded, as you can see. I use a gas welder on this. Now you want to take your same wheel that you seen in the first part of the video, your little this wheel, and shape it back to the factory shape. So it's the fork after it's been welded. If you look at the profile, it kind of got a fork to it. You want to shape that back into both sides. And if you seen the clips in the video where how the bearing sets, now look at here after they've been fixed. It can go up and down, and it's level on both sides. See? And it can move up and down now. Right here, it ain't stationary like before, and that extends the life of your throwout bearing. Now you can take and you could powder coat this if you wanted to, but you can take and just paint this and grease this up real good and then install it in your transmission. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like and leave a comment. That helps YouTube's algorithm suggest it to other people that's needing help. And be sure to check out my channel for more content, and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do.